Okay, we are alive. Just a
We
sec.
got it.
We made it.
We made it.
We're here
Yay.
We are in Rhode Island now.
We made it.
Okay, now I can see. I
The
can
crash
say.
landing wasn't too bad. We
We've
walked
been-
away.
Yeah.
Persuasion.
See this guy coming and see if we did better than him.
Ooh.
Or her.
Yeah. Don't know if you see in the camera, but yeah, there is an airplane
Is
coming.
there a lot of girls doing that? Like just coming?
Actually, our chief pilot is a female.
Oh, nice.
Vicky. Yeah. That's,
Does anyone scream like I do? Like,
yeah, we get
You
some
got
screamers
that.
every once in a while. Every once in a while.
oh my gosh, I got so scared. After that, I was like afraid I would kill Daiene.
It makes it a little bit more exciting for me. I feel like you might be jumping out or something.
Oh my god, I didn't see any parachutes. I was
Yeah,
looking
do we
for
have
that.
parachutes just in case? Do we have it?
The problem.
No.
Oh
We're going down.
my.
I think this is the plane for the skydivers.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, I
They
really
go-
wanted to do that.
Okay, good, bye.